Yeah, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to make a Showmax payment. So first of all, you're gonna make sure Showmax is available in your location and not included in the 44 countries. So you're gonna sign in, of course, and you're gonna go to your profile name in the top right corner and in your my account from the drop down menu. You're gonna select manage subscription, choose the subscription plan, and select M-Pesa and as your payment methods. And select M-Pesa as your payment method. Choose your subscription length, 136 months. A prompt will be sent to your phone to enter your M-Pesa PIN and process the payment. Showmax payments vary by country, so you're gonna log on to showmax.com in your country and see what are the methods. You can also add the STV to your Showmax. So also, if you're only South African, you can use PayPal to use your payments. So yeah, that is it.